Greetings from Kamalaya. My name is Sujay. I'm the head of the Life Enhancement Mentoring Department here at Kamalaya. Much about our work here depends on bringing emotional well-being to all people who come here. A big part of Kamalaya is about being able to declutch from everything that has happened in the past. The Inner Awakening Retreat in Australia, happening at Aurora Spa Bathhouse, is a collaborative event where we would like to bring a small experience of Kamalaya to your doorstep. We'll be focusing on giving you experiences that involve not just physical treatments. There'll be a lot of beautiful physical treatments that you'll experience. Along with that, I would be happy to share with you some esoteric meditations that we'll be adding to this retreat. We'll be working on the chakras. We'll also be doing a few meditative practices that will help you enhance your ability to be more in touch with oneself and the experience of being alive. We'll also be doing a couple of workshops which will not just be informative, but we'll also try to help you go through an experiential process so that you can have your own experience of having insights, understanding, and a shift in the way you feel and think and function in your everyday life experience. And that will be one of the main focuses of this retreat. Apart from all these group programs, we'll also be having an opportunity to have private one-on-one sessions. We call them as personal mentoring sessions, where we can focus on any particular thing that might be of help for you in your own journeys. For example, some of us might want to heal themselves from the past experiences they've gone through. This would be a great opportunity for you to explore. Some of our personal mentoring sessions can also help in creating better habits, but also to find a new way of looking at yourself and your life, and finding greater comfort in being who you are as an individual being, because we all have the impact of our past, and it is possible in a session to really embrace oneself completely and find peace and fulfillment within oneself. And this could be a great opportunity for you to explore in this retreat too. So we bring a bit of Kamalaya to you, and I would be happy to connect with you when we meet there in this retreat.